Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Steph if you're new here, and today I'm doing a hair tutorial on how I achieve the hair look that I have on right now. So if you are interested, this has been very highly requested on my TikTok. Literally every single day I get like a million comments to do a hair tutorial, and I finally am. All of the products that I use and like the iron and everything will be linked down below as always, so check it out. Also, before I get questions, this top, which is so cute, it's like a princess top. That's what it reminds me of. This top is from Princess Polly, and this pearl necklace, it has a pearl and then like a little bead in between each one. This is from Shein. So yeah, if you were wondering, I just thought I'd answer that before I get into the video. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this hairstyle, keep on watching. Okay, so here I am with my natural hair. I took a shower this morning, and this is what it looks like air dried. It's pretty straight, nothing much to it, but I'm gonna answer some questions that people ask me about my hair. So in the shower, I use the brand OGX. I use this shampoo and conditioner. It's like the coconut miracle oil for like damaged or like dry hair. And then when I get out of the shower, I use Damage Remedy coconut miracle oil penetrating oil, and I put this on from here down on my hair because I do dye my hair. I mean, this is my natural color, but I dyed it this color because my hair was blonde. So ever since I've been dyeing it, it has gotten very unhealthy. So I use this, and it makes it shiny, smooth, not frizzy. But do not put this near your roots because then it will get really oily. I made that mistake before. But I put this in when my hair is wet, but I'm pretty sure you can also do it when it's dry. So yeah, that's my like hair care routine. That's literally all I do. I ran out of heat protectant spray, so I don't even have that. So I haven't been using that recently, which I know is very bad, but I'm sorry. Don't kill me. The first thing that I'm going to show you the iron that I use to make my hair wavy, because that's a crucial step, obviously. So I use the Revlon 3-barrel wave iron. Looks like this. Very fancy. It's hot right now, so you have to be careful. I got mine on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can get it at like drugstores. It doesn't have to be this exact brand. My roommate used mine, she liked it, and then she got one from a different brand, and hers is all cute and pink. So I'm sure as long as you find an iron that looks like this, it'll work the same. But yeah. And the first thing I do is section off my hair because my hair is pretty thick. I mean, it's not like the thickest, but it's definitely not thin. So I take like top section, the section where I want to be the most precise. I take it and I put it in like a little mini bun. Just use one of these like clips they use at the hair salon, and I literally just clip it like that. So once that's pinned, you take these under sections, and I brushed my hair already, but brush out your hair. Then this is the most important part. I'll probably just show you this on a few strands because it's the same thing. So I take a section like where they're all kind of coming out of the same spot in my roots. This is so hard to show you. You see what I mean? Like I section it like that. It doesn't have to be too thin of a section. And then you take this iron and you literally put your hair in it and clamp down. So some of it's under and some of it's over, and you just hold it there for a few seconds, not too long. Move on, go to the next part of it. And I usually push up, like I don't pull it taut, I push up so this part dries a little bent. Go to the next part, and you just continue doing this all the way down. Obviously this is the first strand. You can tell it already looks so cool. I'm not sure if this would work on a lot of different hair types, but definitely if you have like wavy or straight hair, it would definitely work for you. So this is what the first strand looks like. You can already tell it looks so good. I'm obsessed. When I first tried this, I was like, wow. This was the first section, and then I'm just gonna do this entire side real quick off camera and come back. Okay, so I just finished the under layer, crimping this side, and then I'm gonna spray it with the Tresemme Extra Hold hairspray. I like the mini size, it's cute. Do it from kind of far, and when I do it, I pull my hair apart like this, so it kind of gets some volume too. My hair is usually very flat. So that's one under part all done. I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. Also real quick, I just wanted to show you because I realized it's a little bit different on the side. I hold the iron with the same hand, and then I just go this way. So on this side, I hold it that way, and I do the same exact thing on this side, except this part points forward. You know what I mean? Just because I don't want to like contort my hand backwards, and it works just fine. As you can tell, I'll show you a little section, and then I just clamp it down just like I did on the other side, but this direction. This side for some reason always comes out better. Do you guys have like a better side, or is that just me? This side for me is always better. Maybe it is the way I hold the iron on this side. I'm supposed to do it on the other side too, but like I like how it looks anyway, so I'm not gonna change it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you quickly how I do this side. Okay, so both under parts are done. This is not the important part though. The top is like what's really important. So I'm just gonna put that behind me, take this out. I like to have a middle part when I do this. Oh my god. What is this? I'll show you one section of what I do right in the front. So I usually leave out like this little section. This part that I've cut shorter, I leave out the big section and do that on its own. Pretty self-explanatory, I've already showed you, but I just take a part close to my root and I get up as high as I can without burning myself and pinch it in. I hope that you can clearly see what I'm doing. Oh my god, my hair looks so shiny. Really recommend the shampoo and conditioner and the oil because my hair usually is not this shiny until I started this routine with it. So I literally do the same exact thing that I've been showing you. I just thought I'd show you one more time to clarify. So that's one piece done, and I'm just gonna do that to the rest of the section and this little piece. I do the same exact thing, it's just shorter, so I do it on its own. So I finished crimping and hairspraying my hair, and honestly, I don't like how this looks because I hate how, like, do you see this? The top is like flat and then it goes wavy. So now I'm gonna show you how I pin it back, how I do the braids, and make it the whole look kind of come together. This is like the part that I feel like really makes the hair and makes the look a lot better. So first I take a section. Your haircut might be different than mine, but I have like two little side bang pieces like that are shorter than the rest of my hair. So I leave those out, I pull them forward, and I section right here. I'm sorry if I'm so bad at explaining this. I am not a hairstylist and don't know the words. But I section off right here where the bangs start, and I take the section right behind it, but the higher up part. Can you see this? Like I leave the part by my ear down. And I take this, and I just twist like this. This is good if you don't know how to braid. Then I take a bobby pin and pin that twist back. Like so. I usually pull it a little loose. I left a little bit too much out, so actually let me redo this twist real quick, but same idea, I'm just adding more hair. Like that on that one side. Then I leave a little section out again and do the exact same thing on this side. Just twist, twist, and then take another bobby pin and pin it in place. So this is what it looks like so far, but still not done. Then I usually actually like to loosen these, like I pull them forward so that they're a bit messier. I honestly like switch up what I do a lot of the time. Sometimes I'll braid these parts if I'm feeling a bit fancy, but honestly a twist is fine. So then it looks like this, which again, if you like this, stop there. This is all I do. What I'm gonna do today, just because I'm gonna go all out for you, is I braid random little pieces throughout my hair. So like you see the waves and occasionally be like, oh, there's a little braid. Just adds a little pop of something. I think it's really cute. So I take like a pretty front prominent piece, but very small section, and I'll just braid it. If you don't know how to braid, I don't know how to teach you, but I just do a normal braid. Braid this little piece all the way down. If you have short hair, this hairstyle would be so much faster because you have to do half the crimping that I have to do and half the braid. But if you have longer, I mean my hair ends right here. It's not too long, not too short, but if you have like hair down to your belly button or something, this will take you very long. For me, the whole head only took me like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Once I braid to the end, you can take a clear elastic, but I can see those and I don't like how it looks. So I literally take my hairspray, put the end of the braid in my hand, and spray the end, and then pinch it like that, and then it will just stay in place because the end is hairsprayed. But doesn't that just look so cute? I'm gonna do like random ones on this side too, like back here. I don't like doing them in the same place because I like them to be like spread around. So I'm gonna quickly braid this section and then I'll show you at the end. Okay, so I just braided this side. I love how this looks. This just reminds me of like a princess hairstyle, or like, I always call it like my goddess hairstyle because this is how I imagine like Greek goddess to do their hair. Doesn't it just look so cute? Okay, I'm done. If you have any questions, like if I didn't clarify something, comment down below. I'll read all the comments and answer. But that's the end of this hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helped you. I know this was requested a lot, so I hope I showed it well. If you want to order this iron, I'll definitely link it in the description so you can order it. Send me pictures or tag me in pictures if you do this hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to follow me on my social medias, they're all linked down below. TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Spotify, Twitter, everything linked down below. But yes, thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best ever, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!